1. Assembly demo for electric pile driver. Here is the assembly demo for electric pile driver for WBQ model HD07. Put host motor upside down. Insert the coupling spring ring after reaction bar connector aligning with motor. Put on ground screw connector and adapter. Tighten the connector by Allen key. Turn over the hose machine. Take left and right handrail and bolt out the box. Tighten the bolt by Allen key loosely. Do not tighten the bolt too tightly to make it easier for assembly afterwards. Mount the left and right handrail together with rail grip. After mounting the rail grip, put the curved face of the handrail up. Tighten the handrail. Then assemble the left and right bottom handrail. Now assembling finish, make sure to double check every part fixed into the correct position and tightened. Use 220 volts AC 16 ampere socket. Pay attention to the correct position of the slot when connecting the power cable. Tighten the nut to fix the slot of power cable. Two. Operation button demo. Power switch. Go and reverse switch. High and low speed switch. Three. Machine test demo. Caution. Before operation, make sure machine is keeping switched off. Go and reverse switch on go position. High and low speed switch on high position. Turn on power button to test the spinning on go position. After spinning test on go position, stop the machine and wait till the machine fully stop. Turn the switch button to reverse position and test the spinning. Then stop the machine, wait till the spinning stop completely. Test high and low speed by switching the button. Warning! Never switch the go and reverse or high and low speed button until the machine stops spinning completely. It would damage the gearbox seriously if switch the go and reverse or high-low speed button when the machine is still spinning. If the high and low speed button is stuck, never force to switch the button. Please switch the button tenderly whenever you want to turn off the machine. In case of machine stuck, switch speed button when machine not completely stops spinning. 4. Operation instruction. Check the voltage and make sure it meets the requirement at the job site. Voltage must be 220 volts. Voltage range should be between 210 volts to 240 volts during the driver working period. Double-check the voltage to be in the proper range if the driver works in abnormal condition. The machine will be damaged seriously if working voltage exceeds or below the required voltage range. The diameter of the single cable should be above 2.5 square millimeter. Keep the cable untangled to avoid developing electromagnetic induction and have bad impact on voltage. Mount the ground screw with a connector. Mount the reaction bar tightly in correct position. Mount the reaction bar with iron nail to avoid incidents. Double-check Go button on the correct position. Keep the high-speed button on. Turn on Power button. Start piling ground screw. Using level meter to keep the screw pile go straightly. Switch to low-speed button if the piling resistance strength too much greater than normal. Stop the machine firstly, then switch button to low speed. When ground screw reaches required height, switch off the power button and stop piling job. To take the ground screw out from the ground, switch on reverse button and move the reaction bar to the opposite position of the steel nail. Switch on power button. The screw will be moved from the ground. Special warning: must drill a pilot hole by pre-drill machine in case of hard soil. WBQ has pre-drill machine for sale as option.